Okay, this is Natalia Esquilin. She's 7 years old. And what song are you going to sing?
This is The White Bird.
The White Bird. Okay, 1, 2, 3.
Who is the white bird sitting on a tree? I don't want as what I see, but she flew away on a moonlit night, and ever since then my heart's been white.
Beautiful. Good job.
Oh, yes.